Breaking the cycle. How to help someone struggling with kleptomania. Kleptomania is a compulsive behavior disorder where an individual experiences a constant urge to steal items, despite not needing or wanting them. It is a complex mental health issue that often causes emotional and legal turmoil for both the person affected and their loved ones. For those struggling with kleptomania, the feeling of shame, guilt, and confusion can be overwhelming. If you are trying to help someone in your life who is grappling with this condition, understanding the root causes of kleptomania and offering a compassionate, non-judgmental approach is crucial. Breaking the cycle of this behavior involves more than just confronting the act of stealing. It requires understanding, support, and a commitment to professional treatment. Understanding kleptomania. At its core, kleptomania is classified as an impulse control disorder. Unlike typical theft, which may stem from financial need or malicious intent, kleptomania is characterized by a compulsion to steal that the individual cannot control, often leading to feelings of relief or pleasure during or after the act. People with kleptomania may steal items that are not valuable, necessary, or meaningful to them. Instead, the act of stealing is often a response to an intense emotional state, such as anxiety, tension, or boredom. Although kleptomania is not widely discussed in mainstream media, it is estimated to affect a significant portion of the population, with many individuals unaware of the nature of their behavior until it causes legal or personal consequences. Kleptomania can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background, and it often coexists with other mental health issues like anxiety, depression, or substance abuse. The emotional struggles of kleptomania. One of the most challenging aspects of kleptomania is the emotional turmoil it creates. Individuals with the disorder often feel a sense of shame or guilt after stealing, and they may not fully understand why they cannot stop themselves. This emotional conflict leads to feelings of isolation, which only worsens the problem. The cycle of stealing, feeling guilty, and attempting to stop, only to be drawn back into the compulsion, can be exhausting. It's essential to approach someone with kleptomania with empathy and understanding. Criticism, blame, or anger are not effective in helping someone address their condition and may deepen their emotional struggles. Instead, offering a supportive, open-minded environment can make all the difference in their journey toward healing. Steps to help someone struggling with kleptomania. Start with a compassionate conversation. If you suspect someone close to you is struggling with kleptomania, the first step is initiating a gentle, non-confrontational conversation. It's important to let them know you care about them and are there to help. Avoid making accusations or shaming them for their actions, as this can lead to defensiveness and further withdrawal. Approach the subject with patience, acknowledging their emotional distress and validating their feelings. Let them know that you understand that they may not have control over their urges and that seeking help is a positive and brave step. Encourage professional help. Kleptomania is not something that can be easily overcome on one's own. It is essential to encourage the individual to seek professional help from a therapist or counselor specializing in impulse control disorders. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, has proven to be effective in treating kleptomania. This form of therapy helps individuals identify and challenge the thoughts and behaviors associated with their urges, teaching healthier coping strategies for managing stress or anxiety. In some cases, medications like selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, or mood stabilizers may be prescribed to help manage the emotional triggers that contribute to kleptomania. A mental health professional can provide guidance on whether medication or therapy, or a combination of both, is the most appropriate treatment option. Provide emotional support. People with kleptomania often feel embarrassed about their behavior, and the shame they experience can make it difficult for them to seek help. Offering non-judgmental emotional support is critical in helping them break the cycle. Encourage open dialogue and offer a safe space for them to talk about their feelings and triggers. Remind them that they are not alone in their struggle and that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Understand the underlying triggers. Kleptomania is often a response to emotional triggers such as stress, boredom, or feelings of inadequacy. Working with a therapist, the individual can identify what triggers their urges to steal. By addressing these underlying emotional states, they can learn more effective coping mechanisms. As a supporter, you can help by creating a stable, low-stress environment for the person and helping them manage triggers when possible. Encourage alternative coping mechanisms. As individuals with kleptomania often steal to manage uncomfortable emotions, encouraging alternative coping mechanisms can be a significant part of the recovery process. These can include mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, journaling, or meditation, as well as healthy distractions like engaging in hobbies or physical activity. Encouraging the person to develop a routine that prioritizes self-care and emotional regulation can help reduce the urge to steal. Set boundaries if necessary. While offering support is vital, it is also important to set healthy boundaries. If the person continues to steal, especially if it involves legal consequences or the theft of valuable items, you may need to set clear limits about the behavior. This may involve discussing the consequences of their actions in a compassionate yet firm manner. It's essential to communicate that their behavior impacts others and that continued theft may require more formal interventions, such as seeking treatment or getting legal help. Be patient. Recovery from kleptomania is a process that takes time. Like other impulse control disorders, breaking the cycle of kleptomania often requires consistent effort, therapy, and self-reflection. Be patient with the individual as they work through their recovery journey. Understand that setbacks are common and that the road to managing the disorder will have both successes and challenges. Consistent encouragement and support are key to helping them break the cycle. Kleptomania is a difficult and often misunderstood disorder that can disrupt both the lives of those affected and their loved ones. However, with the right support and treatment, individuals can manage their impulses and live a fulfilling, productive life. If you are helping someone struggling with kleptomania, it is essential to approach the situation with empathy, patience, and a commitment to finding professional help. By understanding the complexities of the disorder and offering ongoing emotional support, you can play a pivotal role in helping them break free from the cycle of kleptomania. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.